Oke, verbal tense, simple present dengan segala perubahannya ya. Ayu Dewi, he, she, it. Oke, time is yours, Mahira.
You
Positif, simple.
positif.
Bilangin simple present, positif.
Simple present positif. You go to school every day. Kamu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Do you go to school every day? Apakah kamu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. You do not go to school every
Sambil
day.
nunggu,
Or
tulis dulu.
or
Dari catatan, buku catatan.
Or you don't go to school every day. Kamu
Kamu?
tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Do you not go to school every day? Apakah kamu tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or don't you go to school every day? Tidakkah kamu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari?
Ya, aku ternyata. Ya.
We go to school every day. Kami pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Do we go to school every day? Apakah kami pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. We do not go to school every day, or we don't go to school every day. Kami tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Do we not go to school every day? Apakah kami tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or don't we go to school every day? Tidakkah kami pergi ke sekolah setiap hari?
Oke.
They go to school every day. Mereka pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Do they go to school every day? Apakah mereka pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. They do not go to school every day, or they don't go to school every day. Mereka tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Do they not go to school every day, apakah mereka tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or don't they go to school every day? Tidakkah mereka pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? I go to school every day. Saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Do I go to school every day? Apakah saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. I do not go to school every day, or I don't go to school every day. Saya tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Do I not go to school every day? Apakah saya pergi ke sekolah?
Negatif interrogatif ya.
Apakah saya tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or don't I go to school every day? Tidakkah saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. Dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Does she go to school every day? Apakah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. She does not go to school every day, or she doesn't go to school every day. Dia tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Does she not go to school every day? Apakah dia tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't she go to school every day? Tidakkah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari?
Ya.
He.
Nama orang dulu.
Ola goes to school every day. Ola pergi ke sekolah setiap hari.
Ya.
Positif interrogatif. Does Ola go to school every day? Apakah Ola pergi ke sekolah setiap hari?
Ya.
Negatif. Ola does not go to school every day, or Ola doesn't go to school every day. Ola tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Does Ola not go to school every day? Apakah Ola tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't Ola go to school every day? Tidakkah Ola pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? He goes to school every day. Dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Does he, positif interrogatif. Does he go to school every day? Apakah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. He does not go to school every day, or he doesn't go to school every day. Dia tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Does he not go to school every day, or apakah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari, or doesn't he go? Apakah dia tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari, or doesn't he go to school every day? Tidakkah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Abil goes to school every day. Abil pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Does Abil go to school every day? Apakah Abil pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. Abil does not go to school every day, or Abil doesn't go to school every day. Abil tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Does Abil not go to school every day? Apakah Abil tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't Abil go to school every day? Tidakkah Abil pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? It goes to school every day. Itu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Does it go to school every day? Apakah itu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. It does not go to school every day, or it doesn't go to school every day. Itu tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Does it not go to school every day? Apakah itu tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't it go to school every day? Tidakkah itu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? A cat goes to school every day. Seekor kucing pergi sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Does a cat go to school every day? Apakah seekor kucing pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. A cat does not go to school every day, or a cat doesn't go to school every day. Seekor kucing tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Does a cat not go to school every day? Apakah seekor kucing tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't a cat go to school every day? Tidakkah seekor kucing pergi ke sekolah setiap hari?
Ya, good. Tulis yang belum pas dalam. Olah, masuk. Oh, Yudi. Anu tahu si Adel.